not facing you guys. Hi.
Let's see what we got here.
What's this?
Oh, cool.
What's this?
It's
What is it? I don't
smoke to
know.
pour in a train.
It's smoke.
Cool. Maybe you could pour that in Papaw's
Turn it
train.
over. Turn it over and look on the back, John.
Remember?
Wow.
What does it say? What does it show to you there?
Ooh.
You can put in volcanoes.
Oh,
And volcano.
Yeah, you can put it in a volcano. You can put it in a building.
You're not recording?
Yeah,
Okay.
demons.
The red light's on.
that means it's
Duh,
recording.
That means it is recording. Alright, yes, Mommy's
Wait a minute,
awake
John.
today.
What do you think this would? What do you think you would use something like that for?
I don't know.
Oh, what's that picture right on the front of the bottle?
A steam engine. You can use it for a steam engine.
Ooh, that'd be
You
cool.
use it for a steam engine, huh? You think so?
It won't work on our diesel downstairs, will it?
No. It doesn't
Papa's
have a-
really smart. He knows that stuff.
Yeah.
Well, undo the paper first. Unwrap it all the way.
Unwrap it all the way.
Turn it
Take the
over.
paper off and then turn it over. You got it upside down. Around
Ooh.
this way. Now just slide the lid up. Just lift it straight up off both ends.
I think you need your help.
Here. Here. No, not like that. Here, like this. Just go straight up.
And shake, shake, shake,
Easy.
shake.
No, don't tear it. Don't tear it. Just go up easy. There you go.
Ooh, foam.
Wow.
Be careful.
Be careful. Take it out.
Why don't you get it out for him, Dad?
Help him.
Oh, cool.
What is that, John?
It's a steam engine.
Oh,
Look at that.
Be very careful because there's a lot of stuff
both
on there
hands.
that'll break.
Both hands.
Hold both hands.
Wow.
And
Watch
here's the cold tender.
Oh.
Oh my Lord. Look at that.
Is that for Daddy or for you, John?
See?
Can you hold it up? Just hold it up right so I can see it just a little. Look at me.
Hold it up and show
Look at Mommy.
Amen. Good job.
Oh man.
Wow.
Oh gosh.
What do you think about that?
Everything is
Now
cool.
see, this hooks on back here. Well, yeah, we'll have to put it together when we get ready to try it. And these are,
But I don't think there's no holding back of it.
well, we have to put them on. They're in here.
Yeah, we can put those on.
Those parts are in here. They're in little bags down here. Now,
Wow. He wants to see
okay, now
that.
what do you think you have to use that with? What would you use that with?
With the smoke.
What does the steam
Well,
engine
I mean,
do?
What would you put behind that?
That's so cute. And look at that.
Somebody look.
Put the freight cars?
Yeah,
Put
maybe.
the railroad cars behind that?
Man, if only you had some.
Oh, wow.
He's got freight cars.
Oh look.
Oh my.
Hold that up and show mommy.
Wow.
Don't cover your face now.
Oh, he had it right side up.
Check it.
Smile.
Out. Whoa. I don't think I couldn't tell if he was smiling or not.
No,
I could
so
do this
show
whole
Mommy
thing
again with a
first.
smile. He's an amazing.
Wow, bud.
Are those mine?
No.
Oh man, look at that big smile. Wow.
Oh, John. Well, I think you gotta.
We have to do a little assembly on
That's
the
fine.
locomotive.
Don't pick it up. I'm afraid for you to pick it up with that pop-up stuff. I'm afraid something will break on it.
All right, as long as you just
Well, I think someone.